Hello. Today I'd like to talk to you about solving equations, part 2, and this problem comes from page 674. The problem on this page is 3/4 x equals 9, and you want to solve this equation. You want to find out what number do you place in for x and make this true. 3/4 of what number will give you 9? Okay, so when you're solving equations, you want to always isolate the variable. You want the variable x by itself. You want to get rid of the 3/4. Well, how do you get rid of the 3/4? Well, this is 3 divided by 4. What you always do is the opposite of what you have here. We'll start with, say, the 4. Let's get rid of the denominator here. This is 3 divided by 4. What is the opposite of dividing by 4? Well, the opposite of dividing by 4 is to multiply by 4. And so what you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side of the equation. And so what we want to do is we want to multiply both sides of this equation by 4. So I'll put 4, I'll put a little dot for multiplication. And you can write any number over 1 here if you want to. So we want to take, this is divided by 4. The opposite of dividing by 4 is to multiply by 4. And so when we multiply by 4, those 4's go away, and that leaves us with just 3x on the left side and 36 on the right side. Now we still don't quite have x by itself. We want to get rid of the 3. So how do we get rid of 3? Well, this is 3 times x, and you always want to do the opposite. And what's the opposite of 3 times x? What's the opposite of 3 times? Well, you want to divide both sides by 3. So we want to divide each side by 3, and that leaves us with x equals 12. Okay, and so we have the solution. You can always check your answer. How do you check your answer? We go back to the original equation here. 3/4 of what number gives you 9? And so we could check and see, is 3/4 of 12 actually 9? Is that true? Well, we can put the 12 over 1. So 4 going to 12 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. So indeed, 3/4 of 9 is 12 is 9. Hope this helps.